Thanks for joining me on another mini adventure here. Let me take my sunglasses off actually. Today we're going to check out Sayres Lake. It's near Sayres Lake, it's to the west side, just up on the valley a little more. From home it's about 60 kilometers. Yeah, 60 kilometers from home. And I'm gonna be meeting Jazz in about 45 kilometers. I've already did some distance here because I wanted to vlog on the bike, but I didn't want to vlog on the highway. This area seems to be a little quieter now. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Got a little bit of a different bike packing setup this time just because there's a little bit of gravel and I kind of want to get into that. Last maybe 15 kilometers is gravel. So it's really quite short compared to Sayres Lake, and it should be quite easy actually. Well, not easy, but quite relaxing. I don't know. My mom and my sister went there over the summer and it's October now. It's about 5 degrees out and pretty cold actually. Mid-October in Vancouver, one of the colder ones. Coming up on the stop sign here. Clear, okay. In any case, you would have seen footage of my bike already. It's a little different than last time. A lot lighter actually, I quite like it. I feel like I can get quite a good amount of speed, but getting some speed wobbles actually when going downhill one-handed, something like that. Still not too bad. In terms of fuel, I got some peanuts this time, and actually I might have gone the wrong way here. I don't know if I want to do the gravel. The gravel down there. I think I'll stick to the highway instead. Just make things a little quicker. Is there anything else? Did I mention it's cold? Yeah, it's really cold. Yeah, it's a shoulder check for me. Kidding. Old Duty Trunk Road now. I just took a quick break to eat some snacks, get some food in me before I get hungry. Yeah. Honestly, my body feels great. I don't feel tired at all. I don't feel hungry. I don't feel thirsty. I got everything I need. And I turned on my GPS so I can continue biking without having to check the maps all the time. I did download offline maps on Google, but it doesn't seem to be downloading on my data, even though I told it to. But hopefully that just, you know, works itself out while I'm cycling here, and I really shouldn't have to worry about it. It's pretty straightforward on how to get there and back. One second. Car is parked on the side here. Be careful I don't get bored. Alright. I mean, this is pretty nice. Wide margin, really straight. Not much to complain about here. Alright, so I made it to the lake, Sayres Lake I mean, not Sayres Lake yet, but it's only less than 15 kilometers in. Let's see, 12.8 kilometers in by the map. bumpy, hilly. Gonna be tough, but I mean, it's not even that late. Chance is here, meeting up, and we're gonna do the Forest Service Road. See how that goes.
I say, put out those watts, man.
Put out those watts?
A lot of watts.
Wattage bazooka! On the Forest Service Road. It's not too busy at all. Still waiting for a really hard climb. These ones seem to be pretty easy so far. The road seems pretty decent, actually. I was expecting worse. Came down some pretty nice descents back there. Still on the Forest Service Road. Pretty interesting. Like, it's certainly getting more rocky and rugged. Gosh, one-handing potholes. Smart. Looks way better. Gonna roll it over. Should be all good. Or good enough for riding. Sayres, that way. It's steep. Living the bachelor life.
Yeah, it's good. I get to do this kind of stupid shit.
Okay, water break. And then continue climbing. Okay. We're getting on our high horses. I know. My drivetrain kind of fussed out for a second there. I think it is actually a little bit bent on the hanger. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Beauty mountain. We made it. It's pretty like mid-mountain, low elevation.
Honestly, I don't think it's going to be that cold at night.
I don't think so either.
Water's low. You can move up a bit higher.
Look at that guy just fishing out there.
That sign that said do not enter.
I mean, campsite's so pretty.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Like as far as campsites go, oh my god. Dude, we made it. This is us. Our camp spot. Amazing. Close.
Yeah, I'm going to get out of this. Especially in there.
Ultralight though.
But I feel like the only one ultralight thing that I need is a tent. That's it.
I've always disliked it.
Well, it's not, for me it's not about the weight.
But it's like the packing size, right?
That's the thing.
Yeah.
You got something in?
Yeah.
Nice. But like, if I can use them, why not, right? Like, just use this to my advantage. It's always nicer to just pack this down.
Yeah,
and
I like
install
how big it gets.
it. Yeah.
Oh, you're doing the hyperventilation stuff already? Okay.
Yeah, I'd rather deal with all this now.
While your heart rate's still a little up and you can hyperventilate?
Yeah.
You're the same, dude.
Okay. Dying.
My fingers are so tingly.
Really?
Yeah.
You should slow down. Tell me, like, watch, man, make some coffee nut do this and like carry all their gear and then fucking cycle up here. They'll be happy just to get coffee. Nobody's gonna be picky.
Dude, I don't mind this. This is nice.
It's got like quinoa, some broccoli. What do you think? I feel like there's actually a better shot.
back here.
Zooms open up a whole other possibility, man, and that's the annoying part.
What's the range in your other one, or is it a
That
prime?
one's it's a prime. Very old, very healthy though.
Well, we made it to Sayres Lake. It's not too bad of a cycle actually. It's pretty decent coming in. Had to walk the bike on some steep sections, but I think that's, yeah, it was really short anyways. We've had a little bit to eat, a little bit of lunch, and just waiting for the sun to go down a little bit to get some nice photos. Jas is down there trying to get his composition ready. It's a nice campsite. There really aren't too many people here, and it seems pretty secluded. The walk-in spots are amazing actually. They're all up in the woods and super quiet. I don't think anyone else is going to come there, but we've decided to get a spot by the road. Yeah, just camping now, relaxing. Morning.
Hola, mi amigo.
Jas got up first this morning, took some awesome photos, and we're already half packed out our stuff, and we'll just get some breakfast on. Apparently the morning was really nice, but I slept right through it.
I wonder if I should try doing that.
Yeah, I tried the other way first at home,
Yeah,
and
it doesn't work. Yeah.
it was too proud. And the more people that come, the more glamping it'll be.
Somebody else can carry a bit of food, somebody can carry a bunch of alcohol. Somebody can carry beer.
Yeah, we can get a whole growler.
Yeah.
It's on spike. I don't know. Someone tried to scramble eggs in boiling water.
Yeah.
Like that? I was surprised this tripod stayed on there so tight.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to like
move
slowly
side
bounce
a little
off.
bit? Really?
Yeah. Because it's just like bare metal on metal. There's no grippy bit. Ready to go, all packed. Except that we had to get that back to the other guy. Heading out of the campsite. Okay, back on the road. This next part's going to be pretty steep, so I probably won't be on the camera at all.
Do it.
But
Do it with no hands.
yeah, I can one hand pothole, but I can't one hand, you know, down the steep stuff. But I'll see you after that, and hopefully I get more shots of the road and anything that comes up. Beautiful. Stam's all dried up from here. It's kind of interesting.
I'm not further in.
Well, it started raining. Just trying to get back to Genesis as fast as possible so I don't get caught out in it for too long. Potholes. That was awesome. Quite the descent there. So pretty.
Today to do 2,000, and I was coming up a bit short, and then I woke up and I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm not gonna let him, like that, like, I'm gonna make it happen. So I filled out the Agassi like 2 days before I was supposed to go there, and got it.
I have your phone, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Holy shit, I forgot about it.
Did it.
Finally, man, that was good. That was actually a very enjoyable trip compared to last time. Let me just get my tent up.